Media TV, Channel 31. And also we are, yes, MFF Facebook page. Maraming salamat mga nanonood. Welcome. And my name is Dylan po. At kasama natin si Mr. Sex. Ayan, so for Sex, ayan. We are live at the Soler Grand Ballroom. And isa-isa na nakikita ang mga miyembro ng mga pelikula ng ating 10. Marami pa tayong oras. Pero ako kasi, the earlier you can watch the films, the better. Pero ito na ito. This is so good. Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you. Ano ba? What are you?
Can you move to your left?
This is Joy Cruz. Thank you so much. Inspired by me.
Little more. Yeah. Okay, here. 1, 2,
Mango. Yes, off the rack. Yes, it's for Mango.
Sana meron mga award. Sana may category Best Cast, Best Performance by an Ensemble.
Right here.
Ayan, kasama natin. Nandiyan natin sa red carpet. Si Bintuin Escalante. Ako napaka-independent all year round. Performing in concerts, in events.
Hello.
Hey, Bito! Hello!
Hello.
Yes.
Bito, ito naman. After busy 2024 for you. Now that you're kasama, how do you feel about it?
One more.
So good because I truly believe in this material and coming to fruition that we're part of MFF is a proud move.
Hindi lang para sa iyo, kundi para sa mga videos on Instagram. And both of them are superstars in the theater. And for them to be, the characters in MFF, 50 years sa special 50 years.
Dinala naman po kami ng
Ayun. Hello, Cheryl.
One more.
Hello. Hello.
One more. One more.
Korean Master One. So, ito na natin sa Charo, sa Nanay, and it's so good that they are mga new audience in the song card.
I mean, I think the millennials have embraced the musical genre. So I
1, 2, one
And of
more.
course, Governor Z,
Nice one.
Elsa is here. Isa Santos was also vying for Best Actress for Chief Santos na sabi niyo ano. Hazel, how are you? I am so happy for you and excited to watch this.
David here.
How was it like shooting Isang Himala?
Kami po ay papasalamat sa rin kay John. Kasi nila po.
Musical itong Isang Himala at all the people in the cast. Hindi mo yung pwede parang gawin sa movie. Good cast of the show. So good luck to you and good luck and super congratulations on your Best Actress nomination and sana.
Okay, one look here, sir. Looking here. 1, 2.
And it's a really hard series, diba?
Hindi ko sa parang sinihan.
Kasama natin si Dana Ezra. Dana Ezra also
Okay.
Dito na.
No, Pepe, we just game plan ng home production.
Well, yun. Medyo heartbreaking nga na yung Isang Himala is down to 9 cinemas. Although nagtagtagal kami ng isa, we're really hoping na this weekend, yung positive word of mouth helps add more cinemas. Mas marami pang makapanood ng Isang Himala.
This is the same boat as last year with Comborza.
Sort of. Pero ang hoping po talaga na Isang Himala kasi is a film na talagang pupukaw sa ating pusok damdamin. And we're hoping just to give it a chance sa mga sinehan this coming weekend.
Thanks, Direk.
Thanks,
Yeah, I can see also si Carter. I watched your movie last year. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you and what you did para mabigyan ng plataforma sa mga stage
I'm the artist that designed the trophy for the MMF and all the big sculptures that you see in Manila, the time sculpture, the big
Finally, it's there.
So this is what the winners get.
Oh my God.
It represents 50 film strips, 50 years.
Wow.
Have you seen the time sculpture?
One look here, guys. Looking here. 1, 2. One more.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
May mga na-atting, may mga nag-message sa akin na sila sa characters.
One look here.
One more.
Zero lang.
Journalist.
I'm just actually styled by
So what was it like shooting a movie in Japan?
Japan is one of my favorite.
Hi, attorney. Great, sir.
Okay, kasama natin. Look at this trophy right behind me. And this trophy is a beautiful tribute for our 50th anniversary.
Chairman, sorry, pwede ba humarap tayo dito para nasa camera tayo? Dito po. We are big. Kaya pa?
Biggest news na nakita ko kanina was yung heartbreaking news about Isang Himala na 9 cinemas na lang sila.
Well, lahat naman po yan i-review ng ating Playdate Committee. So, siguro by tomorrow, i-review ko rin. Tingnan natin. Pero what I can promise is that pagkatapos maubos ng demands for the malalaking or malalakas na pelikula, ibabalik po natin sila at idadagdagan. Maybe after a week.
Yun yung efforts natin.
Yes, every year naman gano'n eh. Hindi lang sa Isang Himala. Para sa lahat ng pelikula, we really have to accommodate yung mga demands ng malalakas na pelikula para ma-achieve natin yung mataas na growth. Pero what I can assure them is that after a week, dadagdagan namin yung kanilang mga theaters kung saan sila ipinaraan.
Chairman, kakatapos lang daw ng deliberation.
Yes, medyo matagal po. Nagsimula siya 10 o'clock. I was there, yes, sa opening. Then I left. Then I think natapos sila around 4:35 p.m. na. So, ang feedback sa akin, ako naman po hindi nagpa-participate dyan, is that talagang mainit yung discussion, deliberations, nominations pa lang, medyo mainit na yung pagtatalo kung sino ang dapat, bakit hindi dapat yung isa. So, I can say na kung ano man ang naging resulta ng deliberations na yan at botohan, ay pinag-isipan. Ang mga jurors po natin ay talagang mga kilala sa industriya. Si Nick Tionson po ang ating head ngayong taon na to. At masasabi ko naman po, kilala niyo naman po siya. Talagang very credible and fair.
Chen, may rankings na ba kayo? Box office?
Hindi po tayo naglalabas yan eh. Pero what I can say is that yung first day gross natin is record breaking.
Oh, record break. Hindi mo rin lalabas yung numbers ng first day?
Hindi. Pero record breaking po siya. Meaning, yung pong first day gross natin is about 25 to 30% higher than the first day gross noong last year. So hopefully we can sustain it.
What are the projections for 2020, the 50th NNFF?
Well, we don't have, much lang okay na kami. Pero ang lagi ko nga sinasabi, more than yung ma-break yung record, mas ino-hope ko na kumita lahat ng pelikula at walang maluto.
Parang on track naman, sir, to surpass last year's MMA.
Well, kung pagpapasiyan natin yung first day, mukha kaya.
Pero kahapon daw parang mas
mas konti kasi siguro may pasok. Pero nung gabi daw, lumakas eh. So, nung gabi, nag-pick up naman daw ng malakas. Yes.
Thank you, Chen.
Salamat.
See you, Chen.
Highlights and what are the other records that you guys are going to bring this year?
First day gross natin is record-breaking, highest in history na it's about 30% more than yung first day gross last year. And hopefully, ma-break natin yung box office record last year, which is about 1.2 billion pesos. And more than that, ako gusto sa akin and ino-hope ko na kumita sa akin yung sa movie.
Hello? Yeah.
At saka ako po, nagpapasalamat po sa inyo. Diba? Because of your support, all these 10 movies, lahat ng mga movie makers natin, nag-level up, ay napakaganda ng mga pelikula na tinatalabas. Kaya lahat sila, ito ko lahat from the audience, the movie goers, they all want to watch all 10.
Yes,
taas yun na lang.
First, itong 50th anniversary edition ng NFF. Masasabi natin lahat po ng 10 pelikulang kalahok ay may kalidad, maganda yung pagkakagawa, star-studded, and talaga naman po
Ayun, ano po pinaka-excited kayo about tonight? Sa lahat ng mangyayari talaga natin, talagang magkasama-sama ang industry tonight. Sa'yo, ano yung pinaka-aantay mo mangyayari?
Hindi po kasi ako part ng deliberations ng awards. So, feedback lang sa akin ay nag-affiliated yung discussions, deliberations. Talagang pinag-isipan ko yung so I'm excited to see for myself kung sino po yung mga awardees na
Wow, I'm so excited dahil sabi nga ni Chairman Don, Attorney Don Artes, sino yung mananalo? Pati siya mismo, nag-chairman na mismo, hindi ka rin po alam.
Sa TV po.
Okay, so talagang abangan nila. Thank you naman makikita yan live sa Prime Media Channel 21 at sa Facebook page ng MMFF. Maraming salamat po. Attorney Romando Artes or Chairman Don Artes ng MMTA.
Wala, ayaw yung pasok na rin.
Yeah, atras ka naman. Wala yan. Lakad yun eh.
Ay, hindi ako eh. Sorry.
Dito ba?
Ayan,
Yes, so sorry. Alis na ako. Yes po. Alis na.
and Seth Federico My Future You, one of the 10 films featured in this year's MMFS 50. Ayan, alam mo marami ang magaling na napakaganda ng pelikula na to. At I'm really excited to watch this film also. It's a cute love story na malalim. Yeah. So welcome to the MMF 50 Gabi ng Parangal. We have Francine. Yeah, Francine and Seth. Hello. Hey, Merry Christmas. First, you guys are dalawa. What a charming couple. Couple something. Please tell us who guys were you wearing tonight?
Actually po, ang stylist namin sila Jiro, Lord and Sidan. So, yeah, nagbibigay lang kami actually ng idea sa kanila. Sila reality na
kasama na si Direk Chris ng movie ng My Future You. So what is it like, Direk Chris, working with Seth and Francine for this film?
Refreshing kasi they're very magaan, mga comments pa. So, wala naman sila kasama sa shoot sa Rock.
So, madali namin. Madali ito. Kaya naman, how do you guys feel, Seth and Francine, that your movie is one of the 10 selected? Alam natin, napakaraming pelikula gusto makasama sa 10. Pupasok yun sa top 10.
Ayoko na. Unang-una, syempre kami para sa lahat. Sobrang yung bigla. Kasama My Future sa 50th anniversary pa ng MMFF. Pero sa kabila naman, yung mga sa amin yung katawan, sobrang kaba. Lalo na ako marami ng mga pagkalaw ng pag-entry. Tapos, nakita ko na lahat maganda. Lahat masasabi ko ang pelikula ng Pilipino yung pelikula na sobra. Yun. Pero ngayon pa rin, excited ako kasi.
What a way to end your year. Diba? So, ito ba yung pelikula niyo nakita ng buong sambayanan? Ayan ang year-ender and year-starter ninyo. Diba? Perfect. Congratulations to you guys for that. Okay, thank you so much again. As Direk Chris, maraming salamat Direk Chris, and Francine Diaz, and Seth Mundo, for many years. May malalaman na 50 years ago.
Mahirap na.
Diba?
Safety.
Nag-cover ang Vice Mayor ng Manila, si Vice Mayor Yul Siervo. This year, ang host city in the Metro Manila is the City of Manila. Kaya I'm sure na kung paraga ng mga kain na. Hello po.
Kailangan ko pa din. Okay naman.
Nagpapaluwas.
Yul Siervo, Strange frequencies of time, one killer was
bata mo ka.
Again, so tell us about your movie, about Strange Frequencies.
Yes, it's we used to. We actually play ourselves, so medyo kakaiba to usually have a different character portrayed, but for this film we played ourselves. Yes, and the whole movie was shot by the actors themselves. So kami na yung camera. It was like a bunch of comics and it's a really cool experience. Yeah, because we had fun. We just have a big idea and we just want to shoot it.
Bossing!
Photo lang guys, lang photo.
Thank you.
Very much overwhelmed by gratitude and honor that we're part of the MMFF 50th pa. So it really is such an honor.
Mautos-utos ka sa akin, Kiko, ah. Mautos-utos ka sa akin.
I promise. See you later.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas po. Merry Christmas.
Of course, yes. Thank you. We have Miss Jade De Leon. Painting my favorite, also from Strange Frequencies. Right? So Jade, how do you feel about the film? This whole experience of MMFF of that, will you be taking over the
Hello po. Interview lang po. I'm sorry.
Hi guys.
How do you feel? Positive reviews?
Very expecting much. You know, we just thought of a cool concept. I mean, compared to the other entries na talagang acting pieces, grand cast and everything. I'm just really happy to be part of the entry, and yeah, I'm a huge horror fan, so sana po magustuhan po ng mga manonood yung type of horror na ginawa namin. It's never really been seen before in Philippine cinema, so ang sarap din. And ang sarap din ang feeling pala na yung mga shots mo, kasi the whole film was shot by the actors na. Wala kaming cameraman, so ang sarap ng feeling pala while watching the film, uy, shot ko yan. Kasama yung shot ko. Ganda ng shot ko, mga ganun. So, kakaiba siya. It's different.
Nalagpasan daw ng Filipino version yung original.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Wow.
Sa expectations, sa mga reviews. How do you feel about it?
They love the twist daw.
Yeah, I mean, syempre iba pa rin yung original, but we just really wanted to have our own Filipino adaptation take on it, and I'm really happy that nag-click po sa mga fellow Filipinos namin, at sana, I'm so happy na enjoy po nila, and hopefully we get to make more films in the future. Definitely.
And ano lang manifestation mo for 2025?
More projects for my production company. Actually, I have one show coming up with ABS-CBN, co-production. It's my concept. Ako po yung nag-pitch sa ABS, at super natuwa po ko na talagang nagustuhan ni Tita Cory, and they greenlit the project. So, first TV series co-production ko to, and super excited. We're going to be shooting in Europe next year, but more details to follow.
Ken, for clarification, marami kasi lumalabas ngayon na magkakaroon kayo ng reunion project with Catherine. Totoo ba yun?
I'm not sure about that. I haven't heard about that. But you know, I'm always open to anything.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Photo lang, Ken.
Yeah, I'm excited. Wow. Yes. Yeah.
Alexa, how do you feel? Positive reviews sa movie?
Napuno-puno po yung puso ko ng saya na positive yung reviews sa movie, and talagang natakot tayong mga Pinoy, yung mga nakapanood nito, kasi diba ngayon, kahit ako personally, minsan na lang ako matakot sa horror, especially as a horror fan, pero nung may mga nakapanood sa movie namin, sigaw sila ng sigaw, tawa sila ng tawa, kaya nakakataba talaga ng puso.
Nalagpasan doon ng Filipino version, yung original.
And how was it yung, kamusta yung look mo? You look, good.
Thank you.
How's your preparation?
I had a stylist to help me out. I wouldn't normally pick this out. I wouldn't even have these, but I just trusted them. You know, parang medyo K-pop vibes.
Yeah. It looks good on you. Kamusta yung reception ng, because yung movie nyo, grabe din talaga yung reviews, no? Kamusta?
I just love it that they appreciate the movie. Like, they're so kind with words, and I've read a lot also, nakatag kami, so I just really appreciate it. So nice that we did something really good, you know?
2025 is coming. Any projects?
Oh, we have a lot. We have a few. Not a lot, but a few. A few we're looking forward to. Can't say for now. Don't want to jinx it. So,
but still under GMA?
Yes, hopefully. Doon lang naman tayo lumalabas. So, there's the only way. Or the big screen. And the big screen pala. So, one of each, hopefully.
Kumusta yung Christmas mo?
It's okay. Very quiet. Very, very quiet Christmas. I have the Christmas blues, I think. But we're still here. We're trying to keep ourselves busy with work.
Congrats.
Thank you so much.
We are in the presence of the Miss Ruby Ruiz Navarro, and this lady is Mavis Brown. Ruby Ruiz,
Jane, yung reaction, marami nagsasabi na surpass daw ng stage frequencies ng voice niya at ang daming positive reaction.
For me, super flattered din for that feedback. Pero syempre yung original, alam niyo naman nila ang quality pa rin ng Columbia. And for that, sobrang proud kami sa film namin, of course, kasi it's Filipino movies and it's a horror movie. It's a different attack sa mga previous na horror na mga ginawa natin. And ang ginawa pa namin ito is sarili pang camera portray it using this
Jane, marami nakakami sa'yo. What's in store sa 2020?
For next year, I think makikita na ulit ako ng mga kapamilya natin. Yeah, but pwede na bang sabihin? Magkakaroon po ako ng serye ulit. So, I'm so happy to announce it soon. And yeah, excited ako makatrabaho yung mga kasama ko dito sa
Anong manifestation mo po 2025?
Grabe kasi this 2024 I think lahat naman marami pinagdaanan. So, this year, naka-survival mode ako. So, I always pray to God na i-turn off na yun and just to be happy and just to go with the flow.
Any message naman sa ngayon na sobrang tinatangkilik yung pelikula nito and lalo na tatagal ba hanggang January 7?
Mga kapamilya, kapuso, kapatid, thank you so much. I know na hindi kami masyadong papansin ngayon, pero ngayon na unti-unti na ulit kami nakikilala. Ang project namin Strange Frequencies, ang dami na rin nakaka-acknowledge ng movie namin. Sobrang nagpapasalamat kami sa walang sawang suporta at tiwala niyo. Sobrang mga madla. Actually,
sa character.
Sa character ko, thank you so much. Excited ako na makilala niyo kaming lahat kasi with the movie, I'm portraying as myself and hindi niyo naman ako nakikita everyday. So, kahit pa paano makikilala niyo kung sino ba si Jane De Leon sa Strange Frequencies.
Any updates sa movie niyo with Janelle?
With Janella, we're working on it. Yeah, may serye si Janella and of course, I'm doing some projects also. But marami na rin nagpipitch sa amin for our movie, for the future, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Photo lang, Jake. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good luck. Oo nga pala. And we have kids of and the bread videos.
Ako po ang papasalamat po kay Mary kasi po sinabi po nagpapasalamat po ako sa bunso kay Mami po kay Mary at kami
Kasama natin, of course, the legendary Eugene Domingo. Yes. Ngayon, 50th, how do you feel na tayo
Very, very grateful and katulad ng nakikita natin, lahat ng tao ay nalulungkot. And it's really good news.
Sa 50th anniversary award
Hello po, kumusta? Wow, grabe. Thank you po, thank you. Isang karangalan para po sa akin yun dahil first MMFF ko to, tapos napabilang pa sa mga nominado, di ba? So, isang malaking karangalan po, pero more than anything else, I would say panalong-panalo na. Sa suporta pa lang po ng bawat Pilipino sa lahat ng panahon sa MMFF this 50th anniversary. Isang malaking karangalan na po yun. Thank you.
Grabe yung tingin ni Bianca. Sobrang proud, no?
Sobrang.
Anong masasabi niyo na sobrang umuulan ng mga magagandang comments ng pelikula ninyo?
Grabe, sa totoo lang hanggang ngayon wala akong masyadong tulog kasi kaka-check ng social media at di lang yun, ang dami pong tumatawag sa akin, magulang ko, pamilya ko. Grabe, hanggang ngayon parang punong-puno yung puso ko at siguro ito yung mga bagay na lalong magpapahambol at lalong magbibigay ng inspirasyon sa akin to work hard.
Hindi reaction na dumadami ng sinihan.
Grabe, ayun, syempre sobrang grateful na marami po yung makakapanood ng pelikula na Green Bones. Sabi ko nga, this film hindi naman siya basta-basta project lang na ginawa namin. Talagang binigyan ng puso, pagmamahal, inalay, dugot, pawis. So, I'm just very grateful na napapansin at nagustuhan po ito ng sambayan ng Pilipino.
Ano masasabi nyo guys sa 2024 nyo?
Our 2024, I would say it's beautiful. It's perfect. You know, parang itong huling bahagi ng taon na ito yung parang magbibigay ng bukod sa first time ko kakasin ng Gabi ng Parangal, kasama ko pa yung pinakamamahal ko at yung my biggest inspiration.
Manifestation for 2025?
Maging masagana at mabiyaya para sa ating lahat. You know, makagawa pa po kami ng maraming mga proyekto kung saan makakapagbigay tayo ng inspirasyon. And maging healthy, hindi lang yung aming mga katawan, kundi yung relationship naming dalawa. Because sabi ko nga, you know, kaming dalawa, wala namang bilang lahat ng tagumpay kung hindi siya yung kasama ko.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Photo sa inyo dalawa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Salamat po. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you.
And si Mr. Art Hayden, si Miss Sylvia Sanchez. Hello. Basta si Arjo Hayden, ang star ng Topak. Kaya pinag-usap ng malamang. Okay, Mr. Arjo Hayden is here with us. Of course, he's representing school. Arjo, how are you? How do you feel, Sylvia and Art, watching the title, knowing that your son was highlighting this historical film festival?
Tim, sobra kaming masaya kasi because of course, nakikita namin si kasi first time namin sa bangka kami producer, nakapasok kami dito sa yun pala, nakakaparap.
Okay, as a producer, all these things doing well, marami din na-apekto ang mga tao at marami na napapatuwa, nalunod na yung Pasko.
Thank you for everyone who supported the movie and continues to support it. And I think this is something new in the festival, action, and let's see if what I just brought in would work. And hopefully it does. Thank you.
Ayan, so sana tuloy-tuloy na kayo mag-produce. Next time na kayo pang pelikula pa. Ayan, thank you so much. Again, Sylvia Sanchez, Arjo, and Arjo. So cute.
Kaya sabi ko dito.
Yes, and tonight, Ms. Julian Santos is also the runner for the Best Actress trophy. And this trophy, which is right behind Versets, I just go to Ms. Julian Santos. Legend! Hello!
Of course, we were able to romance in some ways, and I was able to bless him. Yun talaga, ipinahiyak ko lang siya ng buwan.
That's the best way to end and say thank you to 2024.
I'm very, very grateful sa lahat po ng support.
How do you feel na ang kasama mo si pelikula ay si Ms. Julian Santos pa? Wow! Okay, good luck sa inyong dalawa. And Juday, congratulations. Merry Christmas to you.
Icon walking, Miss Icon.
Chanda Romero.
This is our blessing to us. Ang galing. Metro Manila Film Festival is alive again.
Yes, and as you can see, everybody went to the cinemas. You know, so from Christmas onward, sabi ni Chairman Don Artes, 30% higher gross ticket sales from last year.
Good. That's so nice. So this is like a film fest in September 1975. So after 50 years, andito pa rin ako.
Amazing. Never. Thank you so much for all the things that you've done for Philippine cinema.
Thank you. Thank you po. Meme bye! Pakitid kita.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, guys.
Maraming salamat po sa napakaraming positive nakakalaking tulong sa pelikula namin kasi yung word of mouth para siyang apoy na kumakalat at maraming nagkakaroon ng curiosity na panoorin talaga yung pelikula namin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Meme bye, running for Best Actor or Best Actress?
Kung sakasakali man actor, hindi ko naman ina-identify ever yung sarili ko as a woman kaya mas Best Actor kung sakali.
Thank you! Nevio on the red carpet, he's part of the film Green Bones, and also I can see Elijah Canlas, also and Gabby, and they're also part of the movie. They are part of the movie. Yes, Uninvited. Yes, from Mentor Productions. Yeah, it stars really displaying a different in this film. Medyo bigo yung pelikula, pero napakaganda. I love this girl, Gabby. Makikita ngayon. Ibang klase ang acting niya. Si Elijah Canlas is also one of my favorite young actors. They really shine in every film that they come out with. Kung napapatanong, sino ito? Magaling? Ayan sila. So watch out for these young actors, Elijah Canlas and Gabby Padilla.
Country President.
Nadine Lustrin!
Hi, President Kamala!
Oh my God. Alam mo, gusto ko bawal mag-recording eh. Pero tinanong ko, Nance, I'm watching your film. Yes, maganda. Napagaling. Congratulations to Mentor. People from Mentor Productions for being so brave and doing something like Uninvited. Yan. Andyan ba rin si Aga? Andyan si Ate V? Andito rin naman sila. Mulan is here. Wow. I can see also Joy Reyes is here already. Okay, the stars and the cast of Uninvited are invited tonight. Okay, good job. Grabe guys, ako, invited ako sa pelikula niyo na unang segundo ng party na kahit sa was how do you guys feel about the response of the people?
But it's very hard because I think this MMFF is very diverse, iba't ibang pelikula, iba't ibang mensahe, iba't ibang issues. Of course, you see reviews as part of the industry and outside. Also the government is just so happy.
Sa akin, nag-spoil ako ng stuff. So parang pasa ko na lang sa iba. No, but very, very happy na everyone loves the film.
Iba rin talaga. Napasigaw ako doon eh. Napasigaw ako sa tawa, aga, sa galing, sa magpuposes si aga dito. Grabe. Ano mo sa sobrang, hindi ko sabihin sa kanyang person. Wow. This is an aga that I've never seen on screen ever before. Like, wow. I told one of our friends, sabi ko, ang galing ng aga dito. Yun lang yun. Actually, ang galing ninyo na. You know, and I salute you guys for doing a film. Normally, not many people will want to touch. Tackling things that are not really talked about, but tinabas nyo yan dito para makita ng tao na nangyayari sa totoong buhay. Congratulations! And ayoko mag-spoil, pero good luck and I hope that you guys will also really super succeed tonight. Because you guys are up for many awards tonight, and this is that's right.
Pero galing, pumunta nung na kami officer. Tapos nagpunta namin dito din namin. Sige po.
That's where you here tonight. Yes. Oh, we love our partner, of course. Congratulations, guys. Hello! Sheldon Mercado and Dennis.
Anong movie sila? Spantao. Tapos ito yung Uninvited.
Dennis, how did you prepare for your character?
Tapos siguro last night, wala masyadong dialogue dahil yung character ko, kailangan magsalita, kailangan ko mag-sign language dahil sa mga nangyari sa Pilipinas experience. So yun, kailangan lang na mas bawat kulpas, mahulugan, bawat tinginan, talaga kailangan mo na kung sabihin sa isa. Sa tingin pa lang.
Ito yun, yun. Importante. Jen, how do you feel watching your husband on screen that he is such an amazing actor?
Hindi na first time yun kasi ever since talagang kahit talagang i-portray mo kay Dennis, magagawa niya ng tama. So I'm very emotional nung napalad ko yung movie. At hanggang gusto makauwi ng bahay, umiiyak ako.
First time ko siya makita na umiyak sa mga gano'n sa isang pelikula. Lalo na ako ba yung pinapanood?
Mahirap ako paiyakin sa mga.
Wow! And guys, remember that Dennis Trillo's acting breakthrough was in the MFFF movie as well, when she played Aisha in the film.
That was 20 years ago.
20 years ago, he raised the MFF and won Best Actor for it. Best Supporting Actor for it. And now you are here. So good luck. How do you feel? How do you feel that you are in the running for Best Actor for tonight?
Mas-stress sa mga pagpapagalingin kahit kanina. Gusto ko enjoy ko dahil pakiramdam na to, winner na kagad kami dahil mabili pa lang sa 10 entries out of 100 entries, diba? Marami pa lang, panalo na talaga.
Okay, congratulations, Dennis. I salute you as an actor. In the running for Best Picture, and it's one of the most talked about films of this MMFF 50 season. Napakaganda rin daw. You know, people really didn't expect that it would be mas serious pala siya. Ayan. On Christmas Day, you're hopping between cinemas, watching different film fest entries. How do you guys feel about the response of The Kingdom?
Nakakatuwa na parang hindi na lang tinitingnan ng mga tao ngayon yung acting. Parang they're really more keen on the details like lighting, the music that makes the film mas buo. Parang ang ganda na na-appreciate na yun ang audiences natin.
Yes. We're just really happy to be here tonight and of course to celebrate the 50th edition of the Manila Film Fest.
Yes, historical with you guys, and also we have, of course, these movies.
Yes.
Legendary Filipino actors we should all be proud of. And yun isa we've been telling me about you from before. And of course, we have Mr. Mike Tugel, my neighbor. Sabi ba yung si Greg Mike? People are really praising and saying that The Kingdom is really an amazing film, and it's one of the top.
Very grateful that it's being embraced kasi we all love the film. Our only wish is that people would love it as much as we do. And mukhang yun naman yung nangyayari. So we're very, very grateful.
Okay, good luck to The Kingdom and congratulations, stars. Who are you guys doing?
That'll be first time.
I'm wearing Max.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much and congratulations to all of you guys.
Photograph photo.
Wow, what you feel the heat of the action of all this, all the stars, all the directors, lahat sila nandito sa Soler.
Tumatabi na naman!
Okay, naman ako for sex. Okay, so again, all these stars to be here.
Okay, for the video lang po. Just smile lang po sa camera. Ready? 3, 2, 1,
go! For the past few months, for some even years, na pinagsama sa
kailangan may happy kaya sa kayo!
So ikaw nga ngayon sa nag-ending mo yun sa pagkakawin natin. Anong pelikula ka excited ka panoorin?
Sorry po.
So, breadwinner ka ba?
Well, yeah. Like, I think, karamihan na part ng community na.
Ano kaya sabi mo kung salita na si Dom tungkol sa inyo?
Well, nasabi ko na rin naman.
Ay, pero kada surprise.
Yes.
And it's so nice to see everybody so excited to see each other. This December, gathering together and watching. Chanda Romero was here and something like that. She was the first year of the Metro Manila Film Festival, and now 50 years after, she is still here representing the actors of go and watch their films, not just their films, but the films of their fellow actors in different in the other films. Hindi sila kasama, pero hindi naman support na sa isa't isa. As in Raza, one of our favorite actresses of all time, is gone up to 50 years na ang MMFF. And I'm sure napakarami mo ng pelikula na napasama sa many MMFFs. Wow, okay. I'm sure maroon ko ito gawin. Hindi ka lang 2007. Wow. Pero pati 10 years din. Oo, 10 years din sa dekada din yun. Ay, nag-begin for...
Salamat.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Atas lang po kaya. Kasi may hirapan pa kayo.